I've never used a camera before. The fuck is this? We don't got an automatic one. You just go.
That's what I'm saying. You got complications.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
What are we doing today? This is a cooking competition.
I call this the cook-off. You understand? Hey, don't worry about me, okay? Don't worry about me. Watch what I do.
I'm actually excited.
Watch what I do.
You're running behind over there.
Make dreams happen. You understand? Yo, this isn't gonna work. Hey, this beat is not. This ain't it, Chief. This ain't it. Sorry, bro. What does that mean? Hold on, you need one?
Allowed to be in here.
Yeah.
Let him be in here.
Where that trash can go?
It's over here.
Y'all, look at y'all already cheating.
We moved it out of the frame.
Already cheating.
Okay, so what are you making today? I'm making my own version of shrimp scampi, the white wine reduction.
Oh my God, we're getting real official
And
with
cherry
this.
tomatoes.
Is that food ready yet? Y'all gonna eat it?
We're making it.
Oh shit, you guys are recording.
Are you paying me, Chapman?
What up?
Look, this is Chapman.
Oh my God.
Hey, what are you making over here?
I'm making a veggie
I lose,
pasta,
you know what I mean?
And you're
but with like some Peruvian
I'm just
seasonings
gonna-
in it.
And you're gonna give props to the queens in here.
Chavez, what are you making?
I'm just gonna, hey, just know I'm making something real special for my fans, you know what I mean?
For your fans.
Yeah, it's for my fans.
Okay.
It's what I do.
So you're not gonna tell us what you're making?
Nah, y'all gonna see.
Okay.
Just know, y'all are going to see. Y'all gave me a dull ass knife. Oh my God.
Damn, I hooked you up on your garlic and your cream.
Just for you to lose, like I feel kind of bad now.
Nothing in there yet.
That shit's fucking me up from over here.
Yeah, I have sensitive eyes now.
Watch your parents.
Oh fuck. It's my fault. Hey, I really feel like I'm like on a Food Network.
Me
show
too.
right now. With this theme music in the background.
The music's not doing it for me. I'm gonna have to get my headphones.
Wet versus dry measuring cups. There's a reason they're different. What's up? Can y'all give me some credit? Is that on video? Can y'all give me some damn credit? I'm trying to tell y'all, man. So you said 200 milliliters?
So you're gonna listen to us?
No, for sure. You just told me. I'ma listen.
What's this?
Hey, don't worry about what this is. Just know it's heat. This
you
is
waft
gas.
again?
Huh?
Yeah, go ahead.
Oh look. This is what you call in the culinary field a waft. Know what I mean? You gotta waft and make sure it's right. Just right.
Alright, Chavez.
What up?
Question time.
Go ahead.
So, did you make this recipe up yourself?
Nah, this is a borrowed recipe from your biggest resource and your biggest tool, which is the internet.
Pinterest?
No, it's not Pinterest.
The internet.
Yeah, the internet, you know what I mean? Every great chef uses recipes.
Yeah.
I don't care what anyone
Like
says.
who? Name one.
Gordon Ramsay.
Okay.
Ratatouille.
Ratatouille.
I mean, what's up?
Yeah, I'm gonna win. They're in trouble. But he said a pasta dish. I knew I had it.
Oh my God.
That was your choice too.
You think she's got it?
I feel like she's the riskiest one, so maybe.
The only thing I'm worried about is the fact that all the guys that judge this, they like meat.
And like creamy stuff, because
Yeah.
you can't get like Alfredo in
Yeah.
Italy.
And
So
I
that's
bring
the only
both of that.
Exactly.
I bring
So,
both of that, the
I
meat
mean,
and the cream.
You're
Pause.
smart, but I think they're partial to meat dishes, but I think they're gonna get mind blown tonight, so whatever.
Okay. No, I'm not sure what else to ask. You guys got
Yo,
ideas.
you suck as a host.
It's okay, no, she's doing a great job. Like, there's
You ain't like Alan from
the
Chop.
more the
pause.
better, because Yovera
Isn't that
takes
his
the
name?
clips out and just puts in what she wants.
Yeah.
So if she gets 20 clips and like half of them are bad, like cool, because then you have plenty to choose from. It's good.
Nobody's got their noodles and their pasta.
Oh,
Yeah, I have plenty of time though, because
Yeah, we only got
do.
20 minutes
We have
left.
like 40
What?
minutes. No, we have 40 minutes.
oh my god.
Bro, I'd be so shitty. My recipe only calls for 30 minutes. Trying to tell y'all now.
Yeah, if you have good missing sauce.
It's something lethal. What the instructions on this thing at? Oh, of course they're all in Italian.
Why do you need instructions to make pasta?
I don't know how to fucking cook pasta.
27 minutes, how do you feel?
I feel good, you know what I mean? Still confident. Money's in the bag, for sure.
Get out of the way.
This is the heat. This is the heat. That's the best station.
Going on about 25 minutes, how do you feel? Oh, did you even hear me?
What'd you say?
How can you even hear me? 25 minutes, how do you feel?
25? Alright.
How do you feel?
I feel okay. I feel a little rushed, but I feel okay. I just gotta get this shrimp cooking.
You good?
So what are you doing right now?
I'm mixing my butter and my garlic so that I can start sauteing my onions, and then I'm gonna add all my veggies in. And then I should be really close to being done. So.
Have you cut chicken before?
Of course.
Oh, okay.
He googled how to cut chicken.
Y'all good? Y'all gonna be really shitty when this Miss I Googled everything wins.
This is where we show you like running around the whole kitchen.
No, because it's not. I shouldn't have put it in the freezer when I got it here. That was stupid.
That's what I'm saying. I'm really an idiot.
That was dumb, man. No, I meant to turn the one with the pan.
This ain't beef, but we're gonna pretend like it is. And push your seasoning into your meats. You know what I mean? Then you come over here to your trusted pan with your olive oil into it, or your oil of choice. Oh my God! See this? This is how your chicken should look, you know what I mean? First flip, initial flip. Should be a golden brown color already. From the jump, you know what I mean?
No, like I got a lot of great things.
I can't even hear if my shit is crackling.
Your shit ain't crackling like my shit is crackling.
That's why I can't hear you, because your shit is so loud.
My shit is banging right now for no reason. Just look at the color. Just look at the color on this. Somebody stop me, bruh. Oh, now watch out. I gotta check on my noodles too. These motherfuckers been in there a minute. I ain't even steer my joints.
Fear.
Oh shit.
He's driving his noodles somewhere.
He's driving them to the wind.
Yo, my shit look good, boy. Hold on. These almost al dente. How much time will we have left? 18 minutes? Yo, you're tweaking.
And we could be done before then. That's just
Hold on. Let me see if this noodle is al dente. Hold on. You gotta set this down right here. It cut through very easily. Need a little bit longer. Alright, y'all. And that noodle went bad. But let y'all in on a little secret. I'm cheap. Yo, y'all good? What y'all looking at me crazy for?
I don't know, you just like bouncing around.
That's what I do. Oh my goodness. Them some onions the way through. Now what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna turn the heat up on the sauce, you know what I mean? You see this? This is what I call Parmesan cheese.
how you get your competition?
What? Oh yeah, this is a recipe. This is top secret information. Chill out. What's wrong with you? This is what we do. Hold on. I might have to come back through. Here, you can use this pan. Okay. I mean, this side. Look at them noodles. Look at those noodles. Al dente. Hey, that shit look fire. I ain't even gonna lie to you now. How much time we got left?
6 minutes.
Oh my
What?
god.
6 minutes. Nothing's even close to being ready.
guys.
I ain't playing.
What the fuck is going on here?
Hey boy, look at this sauce. What?
I'm
That shit burning me.
Follow me on Instagram.
Oh, let that boy ugly.
Cute, boy.
Hey,
y'all
look
make?
at that chicken.
This shit look better. She got her headphones on like she gonna stop for real.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh.
I'm about to just throw all her noodles on the fucking plate right now. Like I'm a.
Yo, Vera, this is your $9 million camera? Hey, bro, that camera is tough. About to stick to that motherfucker.
Chop it up. Hey, can you stop? Get out my face. You're making me nervous.
Man, that looks good as
Shit, I don't even need no sauce. I'm about to give him noodles and shit. What you talking about?
I just fucked it up.
Nah, she taking a YouTube video. Go ahead. Yo, put on Mr. Thickums.
What's up?
Hey, drop your weapon.
I'm not doing that.
Oh, let's drop your weapon.
Why? I don't want this going on YouTube.
You won't go on YouTube.
I don't want this.
She gonna edit it out.
I say it again.
Drop your weapon.
I'm only putting a little bit. Because our judges are all, you know.
Look at that.
be able to play mine in time. I don't know if you guys will give me a grace period of a couple seconds, but
Nah, this chop, big dog.
Hey, you stupid. You ugly. You put one piece of spinach.
Hey, you know,
Oh, hold on.
you know the
How
people
much
on,
longer we got?
you know the people on
That's it,
top.
it's over.
He's foul.
Hey.
That's the powder off your shit.
It's okay, we can let the judges know that you went over, but if they still think you won.
Entree and dessert and shit.
That shit ain't bad. It ain't my best, but it ain't bad.
That's how you know his shit
Nah.
lacking.
It's the cheese that I got.
Actually, that sauce was hidden. What you mean?
So you feel
Nah, the sauce was in, but I usually get the cheese that you got on the block, you heard? Nah,
you feel nervous?
nah, my shit won, for sure. Look at this. Look at my competition.
He foul.
Lady, boy.